Are you looking for the best Ingersoll Rand? In this video we are looking 5 best Ingersoll Rand. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 285B6 1-inch cordless. Pneumatic impact wrench with 6-inch extended anvil and 2 handles. Brand, Ingersoll Rand. Material, metal. Item length, 20.4 inches. Item weight, 12.61 kilograms. Reliable impact wrench. Invest in quality with the Ingersoll Rand pneumatic impact wrench. It features heavy-duty torque output with a free speed of 5,250 RPM and a 6-inch extended anvil for a strong socket connection. Powerful air tool. This cordless power tool comes with 2 handles for extra control. The high-precision design helps you access tight spaces, and the combo of high inertia and low BPM can drive a powerful blow with little air without overextending. Heavy-duty construction. Our air impact wrench works as hard as you do. It is built to last with a steel hammer case, a metal housing, a protective rubber boot, and phenolic vanes, ensuring durability against repeated drops and harsh weather conditions. Impressive features. Our cordless impact wrench features an innovative design with a 6-vane motor that delivers 1,475 ft-lbs of torque and a feather-touch trigger for control, making it an excellent tool for professionals. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 3107 GA 1/4 inch. Straight air die grinder with ergonomic grip. Brand, Ingersoll Rand. Voltage, 120 volts. Power source, pneumatic powered. Recommended uses for product: grinding, cutting, polishing, sanding, carving, trimming, sharpening, deburring, drilling, cleaning, scraping, shaping, grinding, cutting, polishing, sanding, carving, trimming, sharpening, deburring, drilling, cleaning, scraping, shaping. Reliable angle grinder. The 3107 G air die grinder features a powerful 1/3 horsepower motor and a 1/4 inch collet. Powered by compressed air, this air tool has a rear exhaust and a self-locking throttle. It delivers 27,000 RPM to tackle even the most challenging jobs with ease. Convenient air grinder. This air compressor grinding tool is equipped with a contoured grip for enhanced comfort and control during operation, ensuring precise torque and increased productivity while grinding, cutting, polishing, and more. Heavy-duty construction. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 301B air die grinder, 1/4 inch. Right angle, 21,000 RPM, ball bearing construction, safety lock, aluminum housing, lightweight power tool, black. Brand, Ingersoll Rand. Power source, air powered. Recommended uses for product: grinding. Special feature: air die grinder. Metal imported. Small plus light. Ingersoll Rand air die grinder 301B has a light but sturdy design and weighs only 1.02 pounds. It provides easy operation and better access to tight spots. 0.25 HP motor. It is powered by compressed air, not electric, and comes equipped with a 0.25 horsepower motor, a 1/4 inch collet, and a self-locking throttle for extra safety. With 21,000 RPM, it will power through difficult jobs. Ball bearing construction. Durable ball bearing construction offers improved balance, reduces vibration, and ensures a longer product life. Aluminum housing. It has a strong aluminum housing that withstands the toughest operating conditions, and the front exhaust keeps your work surface clean. Applications. Use this air die grinder as a handheld power rotary tool for grinding, cutting, polishing. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 2135 QXPA 1/2 inch. Air impact wrench, quiet, 1,100 ft-lbs nut busting torque. Color, black. Brand, Ingersoll Rand. Material, reliable torque wrench. The 2135 QXPA is engineered for 1,100 ft-lbs of nut busting torque powered by a finely tuned motor and twin hammer impact mechanism. Reliable torque wrench. The 2135 QXPA is engineered for 1,100 ft-lbs of nut busting torque powered by a finely tuned motor and twin hammer. Item weight 1.81 kilograms. Reliable torque wrench. The 2135QXPA is engineered for 1100 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque powered by a finely tuned motor and twin hammer impact mechanism. Convenient air tool. This impact wrench is designed with a one-handed forward/reverse mechanism for easy direction changes. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort during extended use. Heavy-duty construction. Our wrench is built to withstand demanding work environments. Its robust construction ensures longevity, providing reliable performance day in and day out. Number 5. Ingersoll Rand 2146Q1 Max 3/4" drive air impact wrench with quiet pistol grip design and 2000 foot-pounds torque. Color, gray. Brand, Ingersoll Rand. Material, alloy steel. Item length, 8.5 inches. Item weight, 7.8 pounds. Impact and chemical-resistant composite housing and patented steel reinforced frame. Reliable impact wrench. Feel and see the power with the Ingersoll Rand 2146Q1 Max 3/4" drive air impact wrench made for confined bolt access. It features a cold-forged twin hammer impact mechanism and motor to deliver 2000 ft-lbs of torque. Powerful air tool. This power tool is designed with a steel hammer case for durability, a one-hand forward/reverse switch, and a feather touch trigger for precise control. The 6-vane motor delivers added power for tough industrial projects. Heavy-duty and quiet design. Our pneumatic impact wrench is built with an anodized end plate for tough conditions. It features Ingersoll Rand's quiet technology for reduced noise and a light, compact design that weighs just 7.8 pounds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.